Okay, it's after 11 o'clock. Everyone's been awake for hours. When I say hours, I mean my daughter, I swear she was awake at like 6:30. And it's making me so mad because, you know, it's way too early. So I've been in and out of sleep. But it's after 11 and I think it's time to get up and get ready. So yeah. Welcome to day 1. So the kids are getting ready. Cuties, are you guys getting ready?
Yeah.
Excited? Oh, Fata, are you staying home? Oh, that's unfortunate.
Yeah,
Kids are so excited. So, just thought I'd show you guys my fit. This is actually the only, I don't know, it makes me look bigger, right? This is the only good outfit that I have. Other than that, I have packed all ear lovers, t-shirts, bike shorts. That's what I'm wearing on the cruise. But I thought because, you know, day 1, might as well dress up a bit. My parents are already on the road. Excited much?
Guys, let's go on the cruise. They're taking photos. Yeah, what? Let's go, guys. It's out. 3 miles, I think. 3 miles or 2 miles? 1 more hour. I don't know, but I'm so excited. Let's go. Yeah, you know the food. Hi, guys. And you know what? This is my fit. My fit. In your bag. Where's your bag? Where's your bag? Guys. Jordan. Yeah. Look. Let's go, boys. Let's go, Tino. Look, Tino. Guys, we are going soon and just outside. We're gonna miss you guys. We're gonna miss our house.
Storm yesterday.
There actually was.
Yeah, and look, I think she is scared because she thinks that there's gonna be a storm today.
Okay, guys, it's a little bit blurry. Wait, I'll try to wrap it. Wait.
I'm gonna take my iPad too. Hi guys, why are you showing them the garage?
Sorry, guys, this is the garage.
They don't need a tour of our house, but
Bro, how come if they watch our videos and they didn't know where it is? Oh yeah, and we're already decorating our Christmas tree. Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna miss our home and our neighbors. And yeah. Okay, she's taking pictures. She's literally taking pictures.
I'm sending.
Yeah, wait, let me see the picture. Look at that.
I can move. It's embarrassing.
Good.
So guys,
Cruise time.
for the cruise.
Yep. And what about you? Okay, I'm gonna interview you. Okay, what are you excited about with the cruise?
The food, the slides, food, and the memories.
Okay.
Did you tell them?
Mom.
Interview me more.
Okay, and then what are you gonna eat?
Everything.
Everything in the road?
Yes.
Okay.
All the desserts, all the food.
Oh, okay. Like all of it. Guys, I'm really excited because this is my first time on a cruise, and this is her second time on a cruise because she went with my auntie.
It was from
She went with my auntie. She went with my auntie, and this is my first. This is my first time. This is my first time. This is my first time. This is my first time on a cruise, so I don't know what it's gonna be like. And we have to clean the car out. I think we have to clean the car out.
Yeah, look at all. Look this. Look at this. Look at this log. Look at that. The grass. There's the car going on.
Let's go, boys.
Right. And this guy.
Oh, hey.
Are you okay? I gotta interview you. Are you excited about the cruise?
Of course I am.
Is this your first time on the cruise?
Yes it is.
What are you gonna do on the cruise?
I'm gonna swim, eat, sleep. Oh no, not sleep. Eat, swim. Eat and swim.
Eat and swim. That's what I'm gonna do.
That's the one.
Yes,
Eat
that's
and
the
swim.
one. That's the
Eat
one.
and
That's
swim.
the
Eat and swim all every
Yeah,
day.
yeah,
Eat and swim. That's what we do.
There's a car walk going on there. Yeah, we have to clean the car because our car is really messy. What's up, guys? Cleaning the car right now. Tuna, come clean the car. Wait. Hello. How do you? Oh, there. I was the other person that was looking before.
Say hi to the camera, Tino.
Hi.
It's my
Her second time on the cruise.
Second time.
oh my god.
But she went and with her auntie.
Always
I already told you. I already told you on the vlog, guys.
Quick,
I
clean
already
the car.
told you that she went on the second time.
Everybody knows that.
Oh, because you should
Everybody knows.
look at you should look at the last video when she went with my auntie. Go look at it.
And cut.
Hi guys. We are almost. I think we're finished with the car now. This is like my fit. It's cool, right? If it's not cool, then I don't care. Let's go check inside if they're like done.
Baby, come here so I can brush your hair. Look, I passed my phone, honestly.
I have to pass
Pass my phone, pass my phone.
I have to pass it to my mom. This phone.
And you need to go clean the car out. Pass it out.
Bye guys. I love you.
We're ready. You ready, honey? You guys excited? Yeah. Okay, wave. Oh, you stay high. Wow. Oh, dear. Okay.
My boys, I was in there, man.
Oh, wait.
Thank you to Brisbane. Thank you for protecting your model, working and in the cyclist group. Thank you for letting us wake up and see our family. And thank you for letting us rest and letting us live.
Amen. That's urge. Skibby, just so you know, there's going to be a lot of cameras in your face this weekend. Where's baby?
Back up.
Can't see her. What? Oh, no, over there. Over there.
Whoa, that's big.
First time the kids get to see the cruise. Wait until you get closer. It's even bigger.
Wait, it looks bigger
Car
from here.
park Freeba.
That's ours, boy.
It's over there, honey. Can you show your sister?
Park 3.
Car park 3. Huh? How can you see her when she's at the... I don't know.
No, that's not them.
But hello, where's the tropical weather, bro? Like, why is it so gloomy? It just makes me want to go sleep. And there she is. I can see Hey, shut up, loser. Aww. King Charles and Camilla are ready. Mom, you look cute. Hi. Is that your guys' new car? Are you missing? Don't be jealous because you're staying home, okay? Hi, Auntie. Oh, don't worry. Next week is after. I know, how cool.
It's good to have
What's this?
get a big car.
I'm like, you're the better.
Hey, fire for wolves. Fire for wolves. Oh, so.
When you back at work?
Thursday. Leaf Friday.
Oh, sure. What are you going for?
Freedom.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Come on, boys. Come on.
Come on, guys. John, he's angry. Come on.
Oh, Skippy's not here.
Baby, quick. I don't know where Kim is. Oh, he's in. Princess, yeah.
Wait, move out. Move out. Move out. Ready? Move out. Move out. No, you move it.
Ready?
Like, why are we always supposed to keep on
You doing video?
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Do it.
Thank you.
Bye.
Oh, no, Miss is
Bye.
Okay. I wish Vanessa was out of her costume.
I am from South. I'm sorry.
Oh, nice privacy.
Oh, thank you.
Don't let what about her? Let's go and say goodbye to family.
Bye, Alpha.
Bye, Auntie.
Leave it. Okay, we'll see you guys on Saturday. Oh, unfortunate. Yeah, we're gonna go straight. Hey, they're not coming. No, they have to stay home like peasants. Bye, peasants.
I'm going to drink on a thing.
Alright, guys.
Oh, yes, so.
Oh, thank you. So,
How long are you there for?
till next Tuesday.
Okay, well, enjoy it.
Yeah. You too. Bye, boys. Enjoy.
I do that when I get there, right?
That's age.
Oh, yeah.
Enjoy.
Oh, like someone's not gonna do it for me. No, it's a machine. Oh, yeah.
Let's go. We're on the
ready?
now. We're on the cruise. Oh, we're on the cruise, guys. We are going on the cruise. Here's our luggage. And yeah, everyone in blue are coming, but everyone are not blue are not coming. Like Auntie Lucy and Auntie and uncles and uncle. Uncle, say bye.
See you guys. Have fun, eh?
Hello, recording. Bye.
Baby!
Sorry.
We out.
But I'm gonna eat on that cruise, mate. I'm gonna eat. I'm with my dad on the cruise. I'm with you.
Alright, we've dropped our bags off. Now we're gonna go and check in.
Where's the boat at?
We're going to check in.
Everyone say hi to the camera. Say hi, Papa.
Hi.
Everyone got their phone. Dad, what are these called? Look, I got a Langlard.
Lanyard.
Look, guys, look at my Langlard. That's Uncle Skitty's.
Bro, everything.
This is John's. Where's your thing? That's John's. That's Hilaire's. This is Poppers.
I know. I'll wear blue and look at the thing. It's
That's
purple.
Nannies.
I'm getting one.
Everyone has their langlad. This age,
It's called a
boys.
lanyard.
Same thing. Langlang. Everyone got their langlang. Okay, bye guys. See you guys after.
Where is everyone? That means they've already gone. Oh, rude, bro. Mom, wait until we get there, bro. Welcome to the piano. Oh, wow. Yeah, B. This way. Home, scan the card with all my boys. Hello.
This side, please.
Alright. Thank you. It's probably the we're probably doing the emergency debriefing thing. Okay, where's the aircon, bro? It's hot in here. Oh, we're almost there, Mum. Oh, look, they're right here. Yeah. The aircon's here, Mum. So they've gotten us here in this section of the cruise, maybe because they're doing a debrief. You alright, Dad? So we just wait here.
Are we waiting to go home?
It's probably the emergency debrief thing.
But they said to watch in the room.
Then why they tell us to come through here? Okay, we are checked in. We're all in our rooms, and no one could vlog for me. I had to do all the other stuff, but I've had to put balloons up there for Mum and Dad so they know their room. And so that's Mum and Dad's room, and then come down a few doors down is me, Logan, and the kids. So we've got pink balloons as well. That's us. And then next door is Skibby and the other kids. So yeah, it's like 1, 2, and then 3. He's ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go up now.
Are we going upstairs, eh?
Yeah.
The number 14.
So anytime you want to go smoke, that's why I wrote that thing down.
Yeah.
First paper. That piece of paper. Are we ready? Are all the kids here? Wait, are all the kids here? Oh yeah, they're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, they're here. Okay, let's go. Mom, hurry. Hey, did you close your doors? First time we got our thing.
What number?
14?
14. How do you know it's 14?
Because it says on the paper in the room.
And this is
Oh,
ice cream
oh yeah.
bar, family pool.
Yeah, now we're gonna go and we'll stay out there until the boat moves.
Oh, shoot.
Finally on level 14.
Hey, look how big that is.
Come on. Yes. Yeah, go out, go out. So Dad, anytime you want to come for a smoke, you come through 14 and then you have to go upstairs. So, no, you just walk up here. You alright? Yep. Where's the smoky area? That one? Okay, guys, you guys can walk around downstairs. And then I'll come get you to go eat. Do you want me to take the kids first to go eat? So we'll see you here. It's on this level. Okay, go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Oh, living your best life, eh? Wow. Cheers. 1, 2, Dad, you were meant to cheers. Having our first meal on the cruise together. I don't know where everyone is. So me and the kids were like, you know what, we're ready to eat. Yum. You happy? Holidays tomorrow. What are you doing? Are you coming back here? Did you hurry up and go to Kids Club? Holiday modes tomorrow. Hola Malaland. This is in the smoking area.
Cheers, mate. Next week we'll be in Japan.
Get over yourself. Wow. He just asked him if he plays for the Dolphins.
Start signing autographs, you reckon, mate? Hey? You know, when you get asked if you're an NRL player, that says something, mate. Should have sent me 3 years ago, mate.
Mum just said. Mum, can you tell them to come? Silly to come. Silly, Mum said come.
And Celeste's here.
Silly. Silly.
Les! We got dinner here with the children. Everyone's got. What do you guys have? Chicken. Wait, langalakad tamaro. And then we got the adults waiting for our food. Oh, sorry. Alright, today is day 2 and it's our first breakfast. Hey honey, what are you having? Honey, what? Scrambled eggs and toast. You got Jason. Mom, how was your sleep?
Very good.
Oh, very good.
Very comfortable bed.
Yeah, they are, eh?
They are.
That's our food.
Dad, how was your sleep?
Good.
Yeah. Sethi? Look, I went to sleep early.
Oh, work.
No work.
No
No
school.
school.
What day? We
No for out.
4 days free.
No apa and kenapa?
Oh my gosh.
Hai
Okay.
aku wap. Hai mamanci.
Yeah, I'm gonna have something to eat now. And where's everyone else? I'll go record everyone else after. Hi Dara, how was your sleep, girl? Good. Oh yeah, our beds are so. Morning.
Hello.
Hi. My swimming awful.
Are we going to our Eve questions on
Huh?
YouTube?
YouTube? What YouTube?
got to take the.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna go get me another egg.
Yeah, see
Where is everyone?
Moe, Mama, that them.
No, I know, but where's your dad? Can you get the ocean? So all the kids are going swimming. Mum's waiting to go bingo. Dad's just trying to breathe after breakfast. And we're just chilling until we... I'm waiting for Dad to get the plastic thing. Can I go? So when you guys go for the second round, I'll give you all goodies. Go move in.
7, you're 7. My mate here. Hey. Yes, sir.
Are you going to 3 o'clock? Yeah. Oh yeah. Are you going 3 o'clock, Mum? And then we're on this side. Kids are going back to swimming. Wait, I can't reach. Cheers.
That's right.
Oh yeah, it does too. We're just trying food that we've never tried. Guys, he's alright? Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, come on, Maria. Yeah. Auntie Ford's been watching my videos.
Hi, Flo, we on the cruise.
Say hi, Nana.
Wait, so they're supposed to be here?
Yeah, Paul.
Nana.
Sorry, this is real good. Why am I on 0.5? Yeah, that's better. Hello, Papa, say hi to the camera.
Oh,
What's your name? What's your name? Say your name.
P&O.
Oh no. And there's baby recording.
Good time?
Hi.
Say hi.
What's we have to
Bye. Yeah. Everyone back there. I say hi to the camera.
like this at all. Oh, let's find a shade and lie down. Let's look for a polo. How do you guys feel? Good. You guys are so... No, I'm talking about the... Move here, up to TJ. Up to TJ.
You got here before the game.
Come on.
Good job, move on.
Darren, baby. Move in together.
Oh, move it together.
Yeah, baby, go in the
Oh! Bro, you have to jump. No, I'm gonna get. That's gonna swim.
No, bro. It takes so long, bro. See? You have to stand up. Okay, it's fine.
Baby looks beautiful.
Now we're back. Girl, how you feeling? She woke me up. Oh, baby woke me up. She wanted ice cream.
It's too loud when you flush it.
Okay. What a life, baby. What a view. We are at bingo. Wish us luck. Les. Good luck. Come on. Come on, let's go home with the jackpot.
Baby, let's cruise.
No way from here.
Don't be confused.
The way is clear.
And if you want it, you got it forever. This is not a one-night stand. So let the music take your mind. Just release and you will find you're gonna fly away. That you're going my way. I love it when we're cruising together. Music is played for love. Cruising is made for love. Baby, tonight
Belong to us.
everything right.
Do what you must.
And inch by inch we get closer and closer to every little part of each other. So let the music take your mind. Just release and you will find you're gonna fly away. Glad you're going my way. I love it when we're cruising together. The music is played for love. Cruising is made for love. Yeah.